Gracia Osebru Anonyeli, Edengos next Boronine, Odias and Gos, one forgive Jesu.
Maria de Son, Nenkechu, Reverend Ninja, Kita Namano, Amen.
Nadu Odibowani ko Sebrowa. Ekene Maria, Egypt na Gracia, Osebru Anonyeli, Edengos next Boronine.
Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share right ahead. Remember to check out my book on Amazon.com, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifan Chukwueze. Stick around for the news. Thank you.
Osebru Anonyeli, Edengos next Boronine, Odias one forgive Jesu.
Maria de Son, Nenkechu, Reverend Ninja, Kita Namano, Amen.
Yabalanya yo onne nke Chukwu dị asọ. Ayiyo, anyị na-arịọ gị o Chukwu ka enye Grace anyị n'ime obi anyị ka anyị bụ ndị nje butere ozi ọma wee mara iwere arụ Kristi nwa anyị site n'afọ ya na obi ya wee bata n'otuto na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya site na Kristi dị nwe anyị. Amen. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwere gara aga. Mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ. Ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ, Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Listen to news updates on Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Iguaro Ede FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Good morning and welcome to Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM News Update. Today, the 26th day of February 2024, and the time is 5 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifan Chukwueze is my name. The headlines. Group carpet Soludo on sack of vendors. Security beefed up in Abia ahead of Tinubu's visit. Ukpo Kingdom celebrates Iguaro Ede Opoto in grand style. Netanyahu ceasefire deal would only delay somewhat an Israeli military offensive in Rafah. Now, details. Group carpet Soludo on sack of vendors. A group forum of Labour Party 2023 House of Assembly candidates has berated Anambra State Governor Chukwuma Soludo over what he described as dictatorial tendencies of his 2-year-old administration. The group, in a statement by its spokesperson, Humphrey Ilo, advised the Soludo-led government to desist from further humiliating, intimidating, and impoverishing people in the state. He said that the advisor followed the recent destruction of newspaper stands and beating of vendors in Oka, as well as alleged brutal killing of Mr. Arinze Obuladike, a drug dealer at Obogu, Onitsha, by Special Anambra State Anti-Tartan Squad. The body said it will compel the House of Assembly to begin impeachment process against the governor if the ugly trend continues. Spokesman for the All Progressive Grand Alliance APGA, Mr. Tony Olisa, dismissed the allegations as fallacious, targeted at discrediting the Soludo administration. Security beefed up in Abia ahead of Tinubu's visit. Security has been beefed up in parts of Aba, the commercial city of Abia State, and its environs, including Umuahia, the capital, ahead of the planned visit by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to the state. Newsmen report that the president's visit to the state was postponed from Saturday to today, although there has not been any official statement from the state government on the visit of the president. Our correspondent gathered that there have been crucial meetings between the agencies of the state government, management of Geometric Power Limited, and heads of security agencies to ensure a successful visit of the president today. It was learned that some identified black spots have been manned by security agencies, especially in Osisioma local government and Aba Metropolis, to prevent insecurity. The chairman and chief executive officer of Geometric Power Limited, Professor Bart Naji, said Aba Integrated Power Project, which would be inaugurated today by President Tinubu, would provide power for electricity users in the 9 local governments of the state under the Aba Ringed Face area. Ukpo Kingdom celebrates Iguaro Ede Opoto in grand style. The unique cultural heritage of the Ukpo community in Anambra State was on display on 25th of February 2024, the 4-day event, which marks the beginning of farming season in Ukpo Kingdom. Witnessed the youths of Ukpo community in the annual flogging competition that took place at Ukpo, which ended at noon, for other cultural activities such as display of different masquerades. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
The marking of the new year of the Igbo people in Igbo calendar, which also marks the beginning of the farming season, falls into February for many towns, but unique in the way it is celebrated in different towns. The Iguaro of Ukpo community, which is known as Iguaro Ede Opoto, took place on 25th February 2024. Chairman of cultural events in Ukpo Kingdom, Ishe Rab Akude, Ishe Ononakunaya na Ugbo, explains the unique nature of Iguaro Ede Opoto in Ugbo
every February. And February, Ukpo is Ukpo nke mbụ na-abata n'ime ọnwa February. Ma ọ daba na second week o, ma ọ daba na third week o, ọ bụrụkwa ọpụta. Ọ na-aka onwe ya. Anyị ka na-amachu ede na Friday, ka na-afụ ya na Saturday, na-erizi eri on Sunday, the ede himself, because na iji kere Chukwu maka ọrụ ebube o ji ede wee lụ. Ya bụ na isi ụta. Ịma na anyị na-aga ata nke anyị na-aga na-eri ji. Na-ekele Chukwu na-eweta ji ha ona tinye ya n'ala. Oge ahụ eruzi ibere etu a. Ịma na ọrụ ebube ka ọ bụ. Otu a ka ede dịkwa. Iweta ede ofu mkpụrụ ka ọ ya adị tinye ya n'ala. Oge ị ga-ewepụtazi ya,
the event also accommodated people who are not from the Ugbo Kingdom participating actively in the cultural activities. Also, Ogumudile Nokara, a resident of Ugbo community for 25 years who hails from Aguleri, explains why every Igbo person must participate actively in cultural activities of the host community where he resides.
Yes, every maybe 25 years can be, but I'm a citizen of this Ukpo. I'm a citizen. Where we are waiting, come and get mad, can I matter? They go to the living here. Imoguma, I get Maggie, here, ma'am. So, kiss your room can do. See, I need a new email. Family on yours. Mana, Monday, mother, try. I can't make. I let the man on our watch. I was selected
Chairman Youth Orlando Village Ukpo Chukwemeka Alex Onyo is of the opinion that the event, Iguaro Ede Opoto, is more important than Christmas celebration in Ukpo community.
On Friday. And Sunday. Only all young youth from the world. Only people go there. I wonder if I got some Arabia. People in Arabia, Iguaro Ede, and the Bible will collect some man.
Bishop Okuchukwu Ezako Ede Ukpo believes that just the way British people are entitled to their own customs and traditions, which was on display during the burial of the late Queen Elizabeth, in the same manner, Ukpo people deserve to celebrate their culture.
How many festivals in the Bible for them? One of the ones I am here. When I try to define it, and then I like your the money you know, not I just might show what JBCs and things like that. I bet you that many things happen in my house.
From Oyukpo, Martin Epanchukwu Ekeze reporting.
Now we move over to the foreign scene. Netanyahu ceasefire deal would only delay somewhat an Israeli military offensive in Rafah, Tel Aviv, Israel. An Israeli military offensive in Gaza's southernmost city of Rafah could be delayed somewhat if a deal is reached for a weeks-long ceasefire between Israel and Hamas. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said Sunday and claimed that total victory in the territory would come within weeks only once the offensive begins. Netanyahu confirmed to CBS that a deal is in the works with no details. Talks resume Sunday in Qatar at the specialist level. Egypt's state-run Al-Qaeda TV reported, citing an Egyptian official as saying discussions would follow in Cairo with the aim of achieving the ceasefire and release of dozens of hostages held in Gaza, as well as Palestinians imprisoned by Israel. Meanwhile, Israel is nearing the approval of plans to expand its offensive against the Hamas militant group to Rafah on the Gaza-Egypt border, where more than half the besieged territory's population of 2.3 million have sought refuge. Humanitarian groups warn of a catastrophe. Rafah is Gaza's main entry point for aid. The US and other allies says Israel must avoid harming civilians. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Group carpets Soludo on sack of vendors. Security beef up in Abia ahead Tinubu's visit. Ukpo Kingdom celebrates Iguaro Ede Opoto in grand style. Netanyahu ceasefire deal would only delay somewhat an Israeli military offensive in Rafah. Here is a public service announcement about a missing vehicle, a Toyota Sienna model SUV, first model 1988 to 1999. Color is dark blue. The padded and bumper has milk color. Plate number KWL243AJ. Chassis number 4032F13C4WU065357. The owner is Ashunike Anthony. Got lost on Saturday, 17 February 2024 at Urope, Enugu, close to Ezialeas around 12 p.m. in afternoon. Found, please contact 07061104631 or 08039511118. Report to Ebona, the 103.5 FM or the nearest police station. You just listened to news update on Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM. News Produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Ekinze. Thank you for listening. Good morning.
Listen to news updates on Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Iguaro Ede FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Iguaro Ede FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be,
Government, whatever.
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets, in your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifeanyi as our number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face on Amazon Iguaro Ede corner 24/7, 24/7. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyi Ekinze every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/GistFM every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Nwanne m ndị oyibo si home is where the heart is. Anyị wee bulie aka n'Igbo wee sị nwanne ebe ife ọma dị ụgbọ na-aga aga ka anyị na-eso. Nwanne every time m batara Anambra ka m nọlụ nwa aṅụrị obi m na-akụ Resident Leofi n'ogidi egbugo m. Nwanne they cannot disappoint. Ịbata na residency efunu rooms and suites luxuriously furnished. Nwanne ka m gwa gị nke bụ eziokwu, Residency Hotel nwere a restaurant ọ na-abịa ịbata dị aserve gị local and intercontinental fruits and beverages ọ ga-abịa ilisie ido arụ. Nwanne banyezianụ na bar where you are served with drinks, wines and spirits brewed in different parts of the world. In the midst of everything, security is 24/7. Residency Hotel Leofino Gidi, Dina Kilometer 13, Old Enugu Onitsha Express Road. Call them on 081 40 933 512. Residency Hotel Leofino Gidi, Ebano and Ebeneme.
Mbewonu, Akambo Mmụta Josephine Ujunwa, album Adogidi 2024. Ana m asị ka unu na-ege Iguaro Ede 103.5 FM Ogidi.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt. It's the The Morning Drive on 103.5 Bona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio
from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on The Morning Drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta,
and Christy F.E. Emenari, aka Classy.
from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
on The Morning Drive.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, you rock. Thank you.